Welcome to our lawn care business customer complaint resolutions video. Thanks for joining us, and if you could like this video and follow our channel, we would appreciate it. Now let's get to our discussion. Lawn care business owners are able to resolve customer complaints with these effective strategies that'll leave you with a good reputation and happy clients. A satisfied customer is the best business strategy you've put your heart and soul into. Maintaining a beautiful lawn for a customer is as satisfying as it gets. But sometimes things don't go as smoothly as you'd hoped. Maybe the grass isn't as green as it should be, or perhaps there are patches that refuse to grow no matter what you do. Maybe it's a delay in schedule or a disgruntled employee that the customer is upset about. Whatever the issue may be, finding solutions to customer complaints is essential in ensuring your satisfaction. But how can you address these concerns effectively and efficiently? Well, buckle up because we're about to reveal some strategies that will leave you with a thriving lawn and a smile on your face. Key topics we'll discuss. Active listening and clear communication are essential for resolving lawn customer complaints. Understanding and aligning with customer expectations is crucial for customer satisfaction. Demonstrating empathy and empowering customers can improve satisfaction and maintain positive relationships. Problem identification, resolution, and continuous improvement are necessary for effective complaint resolutions in lawn services. Importance of active listening. Active listening is crucial for effective customer complaint resolutions. When a customer comes to you with a complaint about their lawn, it's essential that you give them your full attention and truly listen to what they've to say. By actively listening, you show the customer that you value their concerns and are committed to finding a solution. This involves maintaining eye contact, nodding your head to show understanding, and refraining from interrupting or jumping to conclusions. By doing so, you create a safe and open environment for the customer to express their frustrations and expectations. Furthermore, active listening allows you to gather all the necessary information to accurately assess the problem and provide an appropriate resolution. It helps you uncover the root cause of the complaint, identify any misunderstandings, and gather relevant details that may have been overlooked. This comprehensive understanding of the issue enables you to address the customer's concerns effectively and efficiently. In addition, active listening helps build trust and rapport with the customer. When they feel heard and understood, they're more likely to have confidence in your ability to resolve their complaint. This trust is crucial for maintaining a positive customer relationship and ensuring their satisfaction with the resolution. Clear and timely communication. To ensure effective resolution of customer complaints, it's important to maintain clear and timely communication. Here are 3 key reasons why clear and timely communication is crucial in addressing customer complaints. Understanding the issue, clear communication helps you fully grasp the customer's complaint. By actively listening and asking clarifying questions, you can ensure that you have a clear understanding of the problem at hand. This enables you to provide an appropriate solution. Building trust. Timely communication shows the customer that you take their concerns seriously. When you promptly respond to their complaints, it demonstrates your commitment to resolving the issue. This helps build trust and reassures the customer that their satisfaction is a priority. Effective solutions. Clear and timely communication allows you to provide accurate information and updates throughout the complaint resolution process. By keeping the customer informed about the steps being taken to address their concerns, you can ensure they're satisfied with the solution. This proactive approach helps prevent further misunderstandings and can lead to a more successful resolution. Understanding customer expectations. When dealing with customer complaints about their lawns, it's crucial to understand their expectations. By aligning your understanding with their needs and desires, you can provide a solution that meets their specific requirements. This understanding will enable you to address their concerns effectively and ensure their satisfaction with the resolution. Expectation. Alignment. Understanding customer expectations is essential for resolving customer complaints about lawns. When it comes to expectation alignment, there are a few key factors to consider. Communication. Clear and open communication between the customer and the lawn service provider is crucial. It's important to understand exactly what the customer expects from their lawn and what they consider to be a satisfactory outcome. Setting realistic goals. It's essential to set realistic goals and expectations based on the customer's budget, time constraints, and the condition of their lawn. By aligning expectations with what's realistically achievable, you can avoid unnecessary disappointment and frustration. Regular updates and feedback. Providing regular updates to the customer about the progress of their lawn and seeking feedback along the way can help ensure that the customer's expectations are being met. This open dialogue allows for any necessary adjustments to be made promptly, preventing potential complaints and dissatisfaction. Empathy and empowerment. You can enhance customer complaint resolutions for lawns by demonstrating empathy and empowering your customers. When a customer has a complaint about their lawn, it's important to show them that you understand their frustration and concerns. Empathy involves putting yourself in their shoes and acknowledging their feelings. By actively listening to their complaints, validating their emotions, and offering sincere apologies, you can make them feel heard and understood. Furthermore, empowering your customers means giving them a sense of control and involvement in the resolution process. Provide them with options and let them make decisions about how their complaint will be addressed. This not only gives them a sense of ownership, but also increases their satisfaction with the outcome. Empowering customers can also involve educating them about lawn care practices and offering suggestions on how they can prevent similar issues in the future. Additionally, consider empowering your employees to handle customer complaints with empathy. Provide them with the necessary training and resources to effectively resolve issues and make decisions on behalf of the company. This won't only improve customer satisfaction, but also boost employee morale and confidence. Problem identification and resolution. Now it's time to identify and resolve the problems that customers may have with their lawns. Start by actively listening to their complaints and concerns, making sure to empathize with their frustrations. Identifying customer complaints. To effectively address customer complaints, it's important to accurately identify and understand the underlying problems. This allows you to provide targeted and effective solutions that can satisfy your customers. Here are 3 key steps to help you identify customer complaints. Listen actively. Pay attention to what your customers are saying and ask probing questions to get a clear understanding of their concerns. Take detailed notes to ensure you don't miss any important details. Analyze patterns. Look for common themes or recurring issues in customer complaints. This will help you identify any systemic problems that need to be addressed. Seek feedback. Encourage your customers to provide feedback and suggestions. This won't only help you identify complaints, but also give you valuable insights on how to improve your services. Offering fair and reasonable solutions. Fair and reasonable solutions can be offered to resolve customer complaints regarding lawns. When a customer expresses dissatisfaction with the condition of their lawn, it's important to listen attentively and understand their concerns. Once you have identified the specific issues they're facing, you can then proceed to offer appropriate solutions. One fair and reasonable solution is to provide a free lawn inspection. This will allow you to assess the current state of the lawn and identify any problems that need to be addressed. Based on your findings, you can then offer tailored solutions such as lawn aeration, fertilization, or weed control. Providing these services at a discounted rate or including them as part of a package can demonstrate your commitment to resolving the issue. Another option is to offer a refund or credit for the unsatisfactory service. This shows that you take responsibility for any mistakes made and are willing to make amends. It's important to communicate clearly with the customer about the refund or credit process, ensuring that they understand the terms and conditions. In some cases, a customer may request a complete redo of the lawn service. While this may be an inconvenience, it's important to consider this option if it's a fair and reasonable request. By doing so, you can show the customer that you value their satisfaction and are committed to delivering a high-quality service. Implementing quality control measures. To ensure customer satisfaction and minimize complaints, it's essential to implement quality control measures in your lawn care business. By establishing clear standards and procedures, you can regularly assess the quality of your work and identify any areas that need improvement. Conducting regular inspections, training your staff on best practices, and using quality control checklists are effective ways to maintain high standards and address any issues promptly. Quality assurance measures. Implementing quality control measures is essential to ensure customer satisfaction and resolve any complaints related to lawn services. By following these quality assurance measures, you can effectively address customer concerns and improve the overall quality of your lawn services. Regular inspections. Conduct routine inspections of the lawns to identify any issues or areas that require attention. This will help you proactively address any potential problems before they become bigger complaints. Training and supervision. Provide comprehensive training to your lawn care team to ensure they have the necessary skills and knowledge to deliver high-quality services. Regularly supervise their work to maintain consistency and address any performance issues. Customer feedback. Encourage customers to provide feedback on the quality of your lawn services. Actively listen to their concerns and suggestions and use this feedback to improve your processes and enhance customer satisfaction. Continuous improvement strategies. In order to enhance the quality of our customer complaint resolutions for lawns, it is essential to consistently implement effective strategies for continuous improvement. This will not only help us address any issues that arise, but also ensure that we are constantly evolving and providing the best possible service to our customers. One effective strategy for continuous improvement is conducting regular customer satisfaction surveys. By gathering feedback directly from our customers, we can identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to our processes. Additionally, analyzing trends and patterns in customer complaints can help us identify common issues and take proactive measures to prevent them in the future. Another strategy is to foster a culture of continuous learning and development among our employees. Providing regular training sessions and workshops can equip our team with the necessary skills and knowledge to effectively resolve customer complaints. Encouraging open communication and collaboration within the team can also lead to innovative solutions and improved customer service. Lastly, leveraging technology can greatly enhance our continuous improvement efforts. Utilizing customer relationship management, CRM software, can help us track and analyze customer complaints more efficiently, allowing us to identify areas of improvement and monitor progress over time. By consistently implementing these continuous improvement strategies, we can ensure that our customer complaint resolutions for lawns are of the highest quality, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Building long-term customer relationships. Now that you have successfully resolved customer complaints for lawns, it's important to focus on building long-term relationships with your customers. Communication plays a crucial role in ensuring customer satisfaction. By consistently engaging with your customers, addressing their concerns, and keeping them informed about the progress of their lawn care, you can establish trust and loyalty. This consistent engagement shows your customers that you value their opinions and are committed to providing them with the best possible service. By promptly responding to their inquiries and actively seeking feedback, you can further strengthen the lines of communication and demonstrate your dedication to their satisfaction. Keeping your customers informed about the progress of their lawn care is also essential. Regular updates on the work being done, any challenges or setbacks encountered, and the expected timeline for completion can help manage expectations and alleviate any concerns they may have. By establishing trust and loyalty through effective communication, you can cultivate a strong and lasting customer relationship. This relationship will not only benefit your business by retaining customers and generating positive word of mouth, but it will also create a more enjoyable and fulfilling experience for both you and your customers. Ultimately, building long-term relationships with your customers is a key component of a successful lawn care business. It requires consistent communication, addressing concerns, and keeping customers informed. By investing in these efforts, you can establish trust and loyalty, leading to a strong and lasting customer relationship. Active listening. Take the time to listen to your customers' concerns and understand their needs. Show empathy and make them feel heard, which will strengthen your relationship with them. Transparent communication. Be open and honest with your customers about any issues or delays. Keeping them informed builds trust and shows that you value their time and business. Regular follow-ups. Stay in touch with your customers even after resolving their complaints. Check in periodically to ensure their satisfaction and address any new concerns promptly. Monitoring and evaluating customer satisfaction. Evaluating customer satisfaction is an essential step in ensuring the success of your lawn service business. Monitoring and evaluating customer satisfaction allows you to gauge how well you're meeting your customers' needs and expectations. By keeping a close eye on customer satisfaction, you can identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to enhance your services. One effective way to monitor customer satisfaction is through regular surveys or feedback forms. These can be sent out after each service or periodically to gather insights from your customers. By asking specific questions about their experience, you can gather valuable data to assess their level of satisfaction. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like and follow us. Also, visit us at lawncustomers.com and local web pro. Have a great productive day.